Ever heard of a bird that stomps on snakes? Let me introduce you to the secretary bird. In this video, I'm introducing you to the secretary bird, a bird that stomps on snakes. Native to Africa, the secretary bird uses its powerful legs to stomp on prey like snakes and small mammals. It's a sight to behold as it delivers precise and deadly kicks, rather than using its beak like most birds. This incredible hunting technique makes the secretary bird one of the most unique predators in the bird world. And here's a fun fact: they can deliver kicks strong enough to break bones. Fascinating, right? Stay tuned for more amazing bird facts.